We see the sky, we see the earth, we see the sun and the moon, and then we get the different ideas from the people. The scientists will tell you that we see is the universe, and we believe in it. And the religious people will tell us different stories that this is the sky and earth, and there is a God, and that God come on the earth in the human form to die for us. So these are the stories we learn from the people, and some people believe blindly, and some people, they choose to research and not to believe blindly anything. I share also what I believe in the Quran, in my own research. I did not follow anything blindly in my life, but I research everything. Whatever I believe is depend on my research. And I found out, I compare all the religion, the Islam, Christianity, Judaism, Hinduism, Buddhism. And what I get the difference in the Quran talks about only one God, the infinite God. And that God doesn't need to become a human. Like Christians believe that Jesus is a human form, God come on the human form, and the Buddhists believe in the Buddha is a God, and the Hindus believe in the ram is God, or monkey is God, or the cow is God. It is just stories made by the people. The true God is only one, who is without any need, who is infinite, who has no beginning and who has no end, who has no son and any family for that God. And he is not similar to anything or anyone. He is not like sky or earth, or not like the universe. He is not circle, square, liquid, gas, plasma. No. You cannot suggest about anything about him. And you cannot say that God, the infinite God, he come in a human form in the earth. No. What I read in the Quran, Afi Allahu shakkun fatir samawati wal ard. Do you doubt in God, who is the maker of this universe, who is the maker also of the heavens and the earth? And what is the mean to say? When you ask the scientist tells you that this universe is very big. If you need to measure the universe, we have engineer architects here, they know how difficult to measure something. There is a different method, kilometers, meters, yards, feet. There are different measurements in our education system. Especially if you are engineer, architect, you know what is measurement. So when a scientist tells you what is the measurement of the universe, which is we see in our surrounding, they say you cannot measure the universe in meters, in feet, in kilometers. No. You can measure the universe only in the light year. Light year. What is the meaning light year? Light year meaning you travel with the speed of the light, which is 300,000 kilometers per second. You need to travel 1 second, 300,000 kilometers. Multiply by 60, it becomes 1 minute travel. 300,000 multiplied by 60, it becomes a travel for 1 minute. Can you imagine this? 1 minute travel with the speed of the light is 300,000 kilometers multiplied by 60. Multiply by 60 to make 1 hour travel. Multiply by 24 to make one day travel. Multiply by 365, it's 1 year travel. Light year. That will be trillions and trillions of kilometers. But they say the size of the universe from that point until this point, or from above until the lowest part of the universe, you need to travel for 93 billion years.